In this video today we will make the hopper. This is from the top side of the box of the machine. This we can put our plastic for shredding, so we need a hopper here. So let's start to make this. We need to open a new part. We need also to open this parallel. Okay, like that. We need to know now this dimension, the inner dimension. Let's make. Okay, we need to make it on this plan. Okay, so we need this measurement. Okay, first of all we have this from here to here, it's 406. Okay, so let's make here a triangle. First of all we'll choose this plan. Okay, this is 406. Sorry, 406. Okay, we come back again here, we check this one, it's 507. Okay, this is the inner. Okay, we have also outside triangle. Okay, so we need to know from here to here 617. So here we have 617. No, sorry, this, not this one. It's from here to here, yes, 537. This 537, yes. Okay, now here this 568. This 568, and that's it. We can reduce this. We close this. Okay, now we go to sheet metal. We choose this sketch, and it's okay. Here we choose 3 mm as the thickness of the sheet. We keep this factor 0.5. Okay, now we need to add edges to make it as a box. So we go here, we choose. Okay, we check one, just one, and we edit first. For example, this need 90 degree. If we put it like that, see, if he make angle, no, we need it 90 degree. Here we need it the distance, we make it 150 mm. Okay, here we need it outside. See, if we choose this, it will be inside. Okay, let's keep it inside better. Now we will choose the other line. We need to make other edge. SolidWorks automatically recognize the edges, and he make it all same configuration, and we hit OK. Now it's OK. Now we need some edges, but not perpendicular. We have little angle. So as before, we go this, we check this one. Okay, we make it here, and we adjust for the first edges. We need angle, so we'll adjust this. We reduce it. Okay, I think 50 it's enough. Let's make it 50. Okay, the length, let's make it 200, and it's okay. Now we have to add the other edges. Okay, so we will choose this also, and this, and this line, and okay. See, now it's okay. Now we need to close this whole area. We need to clear it, so it will be like closed box, closed hopper. But first we need to add here a little edges also. So same as before, we need to make here. Okay, but here we will see something. See, SolidWorks as default, he make the edges perpendicular at the concerned one. So we need here, no, we need not perpendicular to this, but we need parallel to the horizontal plane. So we check this face, we choose this face, and it will automatically is parallel. As you can see, parallel in this face. The length, we make it 30, it's enough. Same the other edges. And okay. Now time to close all this. So which is this closed corner. We choose this, and it's automatically recognize all the faces. We do the same with the other corner. We remark here, we need this this way, and here we need a gap between two faces, or two faces. So it must be 0.5 mm. It's enough. We hit OK. As you can see, it's closed. See, this is the 0.5 mm. This for welding. See, this is the final parts. We can check sheet metal how it is. Here we can see the sheet metal before bending, how it's look. Okay, wait, okay. See, this is the sheet. All this line is the line for bend. Okay. This one for return it. Okay. Okay, we can now also make the holes, because here we have holes, so we make it here. We have hole here, so we have between this, okay, between this, between this face and this face, 60 mm, and from here to here it's 50 mm. The hole is 13.5. Okay. So now better we will check from here to here. It's 45. And this face, it's 12.5. Okay, now we choose other better. So we make or we make it like that. We need here, okay, so we make this circle is 12.5. So it's from here to here it's 50, and from here to here it's 45. Okay, we can also check here between the holes how much we have. It's 69.5. How many pieces? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 total. Okay, we will repeat this. Okay, distance is 69.5. 7 piece. Okay. Okay, now we also need to mirror this here, so we select all this and we select this plan. Okay, we cannot select this plan, so let's make it first. Okay, these are all done. We try now to mirror this. It's here. We have function, we choose this and we choose this plan and it's okay. Okay, now we reduce this. Okay, we'll add some appearance that shows this one, this color. We'll save this as a hooper name. And that's it. We'll add this in the assembly. Okay, we'll rotate, so it's okay. We'll add this line. Okay, we need this face. It's collinear with this face. Okay. This also collinear here, and this here. You can see now it's okay. Also we check the holes, all holes matching. Now we need some adjust. We have this holes, okay, all holes are matching. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to subscribe for other video. We'll make also other project. This project is almost finished, so thank you. We'll save this for okay. Thank you.